All right, now we're going to talk about installing a blade, tracking a blade. Okay, the blades 99% of the time come out of the box ready to put on the machine, but you still need to understand how the blade is manufactured. All right, this is the blade. All right, this is the outside of the blade. This is the inside of the blade. What I want you to notice is on the edges, the difference in the grind. The inside of the blade here looks like it has 2 grinds on it. The outside has 1. That's important because the 2 is the cutting side of the blade. On the 5 Series machine with the blade guide on the bottom half of the loop as installed, the cutting edge needs to be on the inside of the blade loop. Okay, when handling the blade, always use your cut-proof gloves. Your blade comes packed like this on the cardboard. Just grab the cardboard and pull it off. Now, pinch the blade, take the twisty tie off. There's no need to throw the blade on the floor. Just pinch it and it'll unroll all by its little self. All right, just grab it. And there you go, the blade is open. Before you put the blade on, make sure you wipe it off because it comes shipped in grind oil, which is not food edible. All right, make sure your idle side is pushed in and you just kind of feed the blade through. All right. Now, if you have clusters in it or it's set up, you may have to use the cluster assembly holdback pin, which is here. You would disconnect the cluster assembly on the T-handle, slide this in, it'll hold the whole assembly back for you. On the drive side now, you want to carefully reach in there, pull your blade through, goes on the pulley, and you need to make sure you get it set in between your blade scrapers here. All right, so now we got it kind of set up on there. And now we're going to go add some tension on the other side. All right, back on the idle side, you want to make sure you get the blade on the pulley with it sitting on top of the blade guide here. Pull it tight, add some tension to it. All right, you don't want to tighten it all the way up because you're going to treat it like a rubber band right here and put it in the slot of the blade guide. Now you want to go check the drive side, make sure the drive side is in on the blade guide. All right, once it's all seated and on the pulleys, give it a spin so it seats itself completely. Go to proper tension on the idle side, which is right here on the index mark. So now we're going to start talking about tracking the blade. Tracking the blade is putting the blade on the pulley where we want it to run. We want it to run as close to this back edge as we can get without touching it. The way you accomplish that is you spin this in the direction of rotation, which is from the idle side pulley through the blade guide to the drive side. And then you turn the tracking knob here and watch the blade move. Okay, make sure you spin the pulley more than you turn the tracking knob. Once you get it where you want it, you need to go check the drive side, tighten the lock nut down here, and then you're done. Okay, the last thing you want to do once you're done tracking the blade is you want to put your blade wipers on. Okay, you just turn them down there. They want to be just touching the blade, and you want to make sure that they don't overhang the cut edge of the blade. You want to make sure you do the top one and the bottom one.